DigitalBix fashions. In the modern times, a biker jacket exudes bang on attitude, surpassing the age-old significance of keeping riders protected from injuries. Classic, cropped, or embellished, this style perfectly blends cool and tough vibes. Here is the list of top 5 best biker jacket brands for men in India. Number 1. Ron. Young and fashionable. Ron is one of the best jacket brands that exhibits quirky designs into your everyday wardrobe. Co-owned by Virat Kohli and founded in 2004, Ron stocks the funkiest motifs, colors and patterns in its collection. Number 2. Levis. Founded in 1853, Levis went from being a workman's outfit to a nationwide sensation with its durable clothing. Termed as the most legendary American brand for denim, Levis is a symbol of rebellion and toughness. Number 3. Flying Machine. The largest denim producer in India and third largest in the world. Flying Machine is India's first homegrown denim brand. It targets today's millennials with its rugged and youthful appeal. Number 4. Roadster. Myntra launched its own private label, Roadster, in 2007 to offer contemporary styles to urban men and women. The brand reinvents its collection season after season to manage the change in trends. Number 5. Harvard. University Harvard joined hands with e-retailer Myntra in 2014 to sell its exclusive apparel line in India. The brand focuses on offering on-campus wear and smart casual. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.